Evolution of stars. The evolution of a star means change in the properties of the star over the course of time, due to which the star passes through different stages. We have already seen that the properties of the sun have not changed in the past 4.5 billion years. Stars evolve very slowly for most of their lifetime. The energy of the stars constantly decreases due to continuous emission of energy. The balance between the gas pressure and the gravitational force has to be maintained so that the stability of the star remains intact. To maintain this balance, the temperature should remain constant. For the temperature to remain constant, energy must be generated inside the star. This generation of energy occurs because of burning of fuel at the center of the star. The reason for the evolution of stars is the burning off and therefore the decrease in the amount of fuel in their center. When the fuel in the center finishes, the energy generation stops. As a result, the temperature of the star starts decreasing. As the temperature starts decreasing, the gas pressure also decreases. Thus, the balance between the gas pressure and the gravitational force cannot be maintained. Now the gravitational force becomes higher than the gas pressure, and therefore the star starts contracting. This causes another fuel to start burning. This can be explained as when, as a fuel, hydrogen at the center of the star is used up, helium starts undergoing fusion and energy generation starts again. The number of fuels that will be used depend upon the mass of the star. Higher the mass of the star, higher is the number of fuels used. A lot of changes occur in the star during the process of evolution. As a number of processes occur inside the star, it sometimes contracts and expands at other times, and the star goes through different stages. When all possible fuels are exhausted, the energy generation finally stops, and the temperature of the star starts decreasing. Thus, the balance between the gravitational force and the gas pressure cannot be maintained. This leads to the end of the evolution of the star. Come then, let us now know how the evolution of the stars ends. Also, we shall learn about the end stages of the stars.